Hi, I'm James Wise, welcome to my home, and today I'm going to be showing you the De'longhi La Specialista Maestro. In the box you have everything you need to start making coffee. You have a built-in grinder with 8 different grind settings from coarse to fine, and you also have a tamper which is built into this machine. The smart tamper basically makes sure you're not going to tamp at an uneven level or with inconsistent pressure. So it's going to get rid of a lot of problems that people face very early on when making espresso. It's still early, it's cold, it's actually snowing outside, so let's just get straight into this and make a coffee. When you put the portafilter into the smart tamping station, it's going to start grinding. Once it's finished grinding, you're going to want to tamp your coffee. With the portafilter back in the group head, find your favorite cup and put it underneath on the drip tray. When you hit OK, the machine is going to use its dynamic pre-infusion function to pre-wet the coffee puck and then ramp up to a much higher pressure for the rest of the extraction. Let's see how it is. That's really good. Today I'm using an El Salvadorian coffee, which is a honey processed coffee as well, from Assembly Roast in Brixton. I've used this coffee so many times in so many different places, so it seemed like a good benchmark for judging this machine. It's done a really good job. Very sweet, very nutty, just generally really enjoyable. I've just been using the Volumetrics in this machine. It's been pulling out a pretty accurate 1:2 ratio for me, regardless of the amount of coffee I put in there, and with almost no programming. If I did have any problems with the espresso, however, there's a few things I can do to adjust it. Obviously, the grind setting would probably be one of the first ones I'd look at, and then following that I've got things like temperature and dose just here. If you want a latte or a flat white, you're going to need to steam your milk. To do that, this machine has a few different options. It comes with a manual steam wand, like most commercial machines, and it also comes with the new latte crema system, which has a little dial here allowing you to select how much microfoam you're going to be putting into your drink. And you can put this directly into the cup alongside your espresso shot, or you can put it into a milk jug. It's quite difficult to get the right texture, and this is going to get rid of any problems you might face. But for this drink, I'm going to steam the milk manually and pour it myself. Shout out to De'longhi again. Thank you for joining me. I'm gonna go enjoy this. Peace.